Continuing on air and atmosphere chapter, we're looking for processes that remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere itself. So combustion of fuels itself actually does not remove, it actually acts in carbon dioxide as well as carbon monoxide to the atmosphere. Monoxide will be through incomplete combustion and carbon dioxide will be through complete combustion. So photosynthesis is the answer here we are looking at, because photosynthesis, just writing out the equation, although it's not necessary, it's going to be 6 parts of carbon dioxide plus 6 parts of water, and it actually forms glucose, as well as the liberation of 6 parts of oxygen gas. But you can see that in photosynthesis, one of the reactants is carbon dioxide, and therefore it is removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now respiration, on the other hand, is actually just the reverse of my photosynthesis. It actually releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Volcanic eruption doesn't remove carbon dioxide and very seldom adds carbon dioxide, but the main thing it adds to the atmosphere is sulfur dioxide. So actually this is totally unrelated to what the question is looking for. B will be the answer for this question.